The FMCA has started shipping these hotspot devices to those enrolled in their Tech Connect program that includes an unlimited T-Mobile plan. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. And late last year, we reported that some of the nonprofit options for unlimited data plans like Calyx Institute, PCs for People, and the FMCA are all in that transition from the T-Mobile and Sprint merger, in which all of these plans will eventually have to become T-Mobile-based plans. New customers since about November of 2021 have been shipped T-Mobile-based hotspots, and existing customers or members, because remember you join these organizations as a member and get the plan included with it, we weren't sure exactly what was going to happen with them. But we did start getting reports starting in January of 2022, that FMCA members who are on the Tech Connect program with the old Sprint Unlimited plan had been contacted by the FMCA to get a shipping address to receive their new T-Mobile hotspot. And some of those members have been receiving these hotspots, and they are reporting some issues with them. One is that as soon as the FMCA is contacting some members, they are noticing that their Sprint service is going down rather rapidly, sometimes before the hotspot has actually been able to catch up with the member. Of course, because these are RVers, we're on the move, and sometimes it takes a while for our packages to catch up with us. So that has been an issue, and the FMCA has addressed this. They do have a post on their Facebook page with instructions for members to contact them to get their Sprint service reactivated until they have their new T-Mobile hotspot. But once the T-Mobile hotspot is activated, that Sprint plan is going away. The other issue that we are seeing reports of is that on the new T-Mobile-based FMCA plans is that T-Mobile is being more aggressive about enforcing the 50 gigabytes of priority data that's included with the plan. This term has been here all along, even under the Sprint plans, even under the Calyx plans, is that there is the typical T-Mobile network management policy, which means that for the first 50 gigabytes of usage in a month, it is at high priority. However, once you exceed it, that priority is reduced, which means when you are on congested towers, you might experience slower speeds. Normally not a problem, but if you are in a congested area, it's like, say, in many of the snowboard hotspots right now going on in Arizona and Florida, you might be feeling that congestion more than you are used to. The other issue is the FMCA is shipping out low-end LTE devices. The Alcatel LINKZONE and the Franklin T9 are both low-end Category 4 modems inside, which means you're not going to get the same performance if you are coming from the Sprint-based 8000 or the M2000, which are much higher in hotspot devices. So you'll get slower speeds just by default by switching to this device. They also do not have any antenna ports on them, so there's no signal enhancing option with external antennas. Your only option is with a cellular booster, which only have partial coverage for T-Mobile frequency bands. So that is a consideration if you are looking for the best signal for your hotspot device. And we have multiple reports that the SIM cards that are coming inside of these hotspot devices can no longer be used in other devices on the T-Mobile network. So that is a downside if you were using your FMCA or even Calyx Institute plan in another device. Now, at present time, we have noticed that the FMCA website is no longer enrolling new members in the TechNet program that includes this data plan. We reached out to them for comment, and they said that they are working out some of the kinks on the plan, and including the hotspot devices that are shipping, which they know are lower end. So hopefully they're able to resolve those and offer the plan again soon. So keep updated on that. We will update our Gear Center entry for the FMCA when that plan is available again. These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.